Welcome to me and Quinn's channel.
I need to say, welcome to me and Jack's channel.
And today we're going to do explosions.
Excuse you. And what are we going to use for these explosions?
Mentos and pop.
All right, let's get started. What do we have to start with? Well, no, before we get started with anything, what do we have to put on?
Safety goggles.
Yes, you always have to be safe. All right, sounds good.
First, we pour the Mentos into a dish.
Okay, go ahead.
And on the videos, they throw it back.
Okay.
We put it back.
Okay. You can rip it if you need to.
Yeah, I need to rip it. And ladies go first.
And what are we doing?
We pour the pop into a small bottle.
Go ahead.
Where do you pour it again?
Just into the smaller bottles.
How much? How?
Just till it's like right there.
I don't know how to do
You're doing great. Keep going.
I only cut the really high.
It's okay if you spill a little bit. We're outside.
Is that good?
A little more. Go to like right here.
Go to the top line right here.
Okay, there.
That's good. Now mine. I want to try this. Can I try this, Mom?
Of course.
I tried your grown-up drink.
Go ahead. You can try the grown-up drink.
But I think it will spill.
It's okay if you spill a little bit.
Can I dump it in the glass?
No, we're gonna use more of it. That's good. All right, Quinn, take a drink. You gonna try it?
No.
Okay.
Put 2 Mentos into the. Let's see what happens.
Oh, glasses on. Let's watch it.
I'm scared.
Well, it's just bubbling for now. So what do you think? You think we need to add more?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Put some more in there, Quinn.
That's enough.
That's good. Now maybe you think Mom should try and shake it up?
Yeah.
All right, so what's happening, Jack? We shook it up.
And it's still...
Ma'am, please get down.
And they just sitting.
Nothing's happening. It's not blown up, huh?
Then we just need to...
So what do you think we should try with yours? We should add something?
We should add some soap.
Some soap? All right.
Say after.
Just a little bit, probably.
That's good.
You think that's good? All right, now add your Mentos.
Can I add my soap?
If you want. Oh, look.
Oh, boy.
A little bit more bubbles going with the soap. Look at it. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, boy. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Pretty good, right?
Pretty good.
Add some more and see what happens.
Let Quinn add some soap to hers.
That's cool, right?
It is cool.
Here's what.
What?
Quinn, get your safety goggles.
Let's see what happens. Now, Quinn's Mentos have been sitting in there for a while, so I don't know if the soap will help.
Can I drop one
No,
more?
let her do it. That's hers. Go ahead, Quinn. Drop another Mentos in there. See what happens.
That's weird. Then pour it in again.
Then pour some more.
I think you should be good with what's in there, but you can try. There you go.
Quinn, move back. Oh, boy. Nothing's happening.
Look, Jack, yours is still going.
I need the big bottle now. What we gonna do?
Oh, here goes some more. Here, let's throw a couple more into Quinn's.
Yeah, a couple more.
We shook hers up a lot too, though. Whoa, Mom's making a mess.
Yeah. Oh, it's working.
It's spinning a little bit.
And mine's all gone. Can I dump it out? First, she taped a bottle to this Black Panther car. Then second, she's going to put pop in this balloon.
Next, we put Mentos in, then Jack.
All right, so put the Mentos in. Shove them in there.
Like that. Now I'm gonna have to move it. I need this.
Just a couple squirts. Do one more squirt. Okay.
Now?
And now put it back on its back. Mom's gonna add a secret ingredient. Go ahead, put it on its back. It's not gonna blow up yet. Put it on its back, please. Okay.
Next, my mom's gonna pop it. And don't try this with a parent. Don't try this by yourself, folks.
I need those by Jack, please.
I'm scared.
Oh, nothing happened.
That didn't work. Now we're just gonna put syrup and Mentos in a big bottle.
All right, go ahead, kiddo. Put a good bit in. Oh, stand it up straight.
That's good.
All right, Quinn, go ahead, throw some Mentos in there. Back up.
Oh my gosh, it just got me everywhere. Oh my! I want to do this again.
Let's keep letting it go.
Can we do this again?
We don't have any more pop. Go. If we have any more pop, you can do it. Go get the rest of the pop from up on the deck if you want to do it. Look, it's still going. Put the Mentos down.
Wow! Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh my, that feels nice. It's bubbles. It's bubble wrap. Oh my,
Look, there's more coming out. Look at it go.
It's the strongest one I ever seen. Oh, one just dropped in. That's why it keeps doing. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Dad. Do you want to do this? Yeah. We'll do it with this.
Thank you for watching our video.
Hope you subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hope you
Subscribe.
and click thumbs up